Hey LeetCoders, welcome back again. So today we are going to solve Fizz Buzz problem. So let's see what is this problem is all about. So write a program that outputs the string representation of numbers from 1 to n. Okay, but for multiple of 3 it should output Fizz instead of the number, and the multiples of 5 output Buzz, and the number which are multiples of both 3 and 5 output Fizz Buzz. So okay, so what I can understand, given a range, suppose n is equals to 15, I need to output the string representation of those number, and if the number is a multiple of 3, I need to output is equivalent Fizz word. If it is multiple of 5, I need to output its equivalent Buzz, and if the number is multiple of both 3 and 5, I need to output its equivalent Fizz words. So 3 is multiple of 3 obviously, so it's Fizz. Then this is 5 is multiple, that's why Buzz. And 15 probably, yeah, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5, so it's Fizz Buzz. So we can solve it in linear in order of n time just by iterating over to n. So let's start here. So first of all, let's make a result list, declare a result list, or rather I'll say create a result list which will hold our this string representation. Then let's iterate till n. So for I in range of 1 to n plus 1. So I started from 1 because they have said it will be from 1, and n plus 1 because in Python this range, if we want to include n, then we have to specify n plus 1 in order to get to that iteration or that index. So it's simple now. So we, if let's say check for multiple of 5 and 3. So if I mod 3 exactly equals to 0 and I mod 5 exactly equals to 0, then we will append the Fizz word here. Okay, let me copy it and paste it here. Else if I mod 3, that is here, if multiple of 3, if I mod 3 is equals to 0, then result dot append only Fizz, or if multiple, okay, sorry for that, multiple of 5, then if I mod 5 is equals to 0, then result dot append Buzz. That's it. And oh, I forgot, I need to also include the string representation. Else include rest of integers as their string representation. Okay, let's go. So here else I will include result dot append str of I, and we will simply return our result. Let's test it now. Yeah, so let's say for 15, let's give 15, let's give 28, let's say, oh sorry about this one, let's give 15 and 28, let's say whether our result is, yep, it's accepted. Let's submit the code, let's check. Okay, so yeah, So runtime is 44 millisecond, 73.21% faster, and it is accepted. So this is the Fizz Buzz.